Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how I make this easy yet delicious pizza at home. I'm starting off with a naan or flatbread and coating the edges with some olive oil. This helps the crust get a bit crispy in the oven. Coat the sides until they look shiny like this. Now it's time to start coating the middle with a layer of marinara sauce. Be sure not to get it on the edges though, because that's our crust. Now add all your seasonings. I added Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Next, coat the pizza in a thick layer of mozzarella cheese so that when it melts, it covers the whole pizza. It's finally time to add all the toppings. I am adding chicken, but you can use whatever meat you want, or just make it a vegetarian pizza. Next, I'm adding some bell peppers. Just 2 or 3 slices of each kind, but they add a really fresh flavor to your pizza. Then I'm adding olives. Most commonly, black olives are used on pizzas, but since I didn't have that, I'm using green olives. These taste just as good and add a nice pop of green too. Just use whatever toppings you have. Now I'm adding more cheese on the pizza so it'll be extra cheesy. Put that in the oven for around 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until the cheese is gooey and the crust is golden. Okay, 10 minutes later we have this beautiful pizza. It's so colorful, but best of all, it's delicious. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Subscribe too for more videos like this, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy.